I got the TP-Link Mesh Wi-Fi Range Extender AC1900. We'll go ahead and open it up, do a quick unboxing, see everything that comes inside. All right, let's see here. It comes with a quick installation guide. I believe it has a little thing that you scan. Yeah, you scan this right here, and it gives you a installation setup video with it. So you can just follow along online. I think there's an app that it downloads and then shows you your setup instructions. All right. So we got the actual extender. All right, here's the extender. Feels pretty good. Definitely feels like it's a good quality. Doesn't feel cheap, heavy duty plastic. All right, and then you got your little antennas that you pull up there. All right, 2-prong, doesn't have a ground on it. Yeah, and that's it. So you just got your range extender, your instructions with a scannable QR code there that takes you to the app, I think, and tells you how to set it up from your phone. There you go.